Struggling to export quotes from Zoho books without errors? Learn to export professional quotes in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to the Quotes section, then select the right date range and template, and finally, export with one click. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Go ahead and click on the Sales module from the left sidebar. Then, from the Sales menu, select Quotes to see your list of quotes. Now, find the quote you want to export and click on the 3-dot menu next to it. From that menu, choose the Export option. In the Export dialog, click on Export Quotes to proceed. Set the date range by clicking on the start date, for example, the 15th. Then click on the end date, say the 17th, to define the period. Next, click on Select an Export Template to choose a format. Click on the Template option, for example, 123456.89, to select it. Click on the same template option again to confirm your selection. Finally, click on Export to download your quotes. That's it! Happy exporting! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.